Hi guys, you're here with me, Mod Mayhem, once again, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to change the pool on your NFT. Now this is really simple to do, but it can take a little bit of time for it to confirm. So what you need to do is go to the pool tab in your Chia wallet, and your wallet should now be updated to 1.21. You can get the release at chia.net, and then as you see I've got two NFTs here. One is for Eco Chia Europe and one is for True Pool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click change pool on True Pool, and I'm going to go over to the instructions that's provided by the Eco Chia pool, and because I'm already connected to Europe, I'm going to copy Asia. I know I'm not connected to Asia, I'm not in Asia, so what you want to do here is select the region which is closest to you, and this will give you the best ping on the servers, okay? The only reason why I'm choosing Asia is because I already have Eco Chia set up. So I'm going to paste it with ctrl+v, and as you see it changes, and then I'm going to hit change. Now this will take a little bit of a while, you'll see it change in a moment, and now as you see guys, it's swapped over to pending. Now if you hover over the question mark, it says plot NFT is transitioning to target state. This can take a while. Please do not close the application until this is finalized, and this is very important. And that's it guys, that's all you need to do. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe,